Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bulletin Prime. So here is another video. So in this video we'll see how we can download Visual Studio Code and from where we'll download and the complete installation process of Visual Studio Code. What are the extensions we need to install to smooth our Angular development. So here you can go. So successfully we have installed Visual Studio Code. I have opened Visual Studio Code. Then let's install some essential extensions to make our development smooth. So let's go to view, then extensions, then you can search Angular Essentials. Just search Angular Essentials. You can see Angular Essential version 9. You can click install. Then it will install that whole package. You can see what are the things it's going to install. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Please do like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.